Today on Can Haz Armory, an alternative to using solder to tin your wires for a body cord fix. So you have to fix a body cord. Here's one of the wires. And of course, first thing you do is strip it. Get a little stripping tool here. There you go. There's a stripped wire. And you kind of tighten it up a bit. And now, I could stick that straight into the pin, which I often do. I could also tin it if I had a solder pot or a soldering iron out, but sometimes you may not have that. So what you need to do is get a little metal ferrule. It's called a crimp tab. Got a bunch of different sizes here. Here is, we can get a good size here. So look at that tape. There's a good size. And if you can, I don't know if you can see very clearly, one end is slightly flared out. Goes around a little easier. That's the side that goes over the wire. So that's on. And I missed the spot. There's a wire hanging out there. There you go. Now it's on. And what you need after that is the crimp tool. So obviously the wires will go in a little center hole and crimp it down. Crimp it down tight. And there you have it. And that'll fit in the hole in the pin, and it'll give the screw some nice and tight to grab hold of and screw down tight on. The only disadvantage is sometimes if the wire breaks, these are difficult to get out. You can dig them out with a screwdriver, but honestly, for good connection in the pin head, these are usually can't be beat. Convenient, easy. Links for the ferrules and a crimp tool are in the description. Happy armoring.